So yes, I'm gonna show you how to make a reverse trigger in 2.1. So yes, let's make a level right here, reverse. So yes, this is very simple to make. You know, let's just put some spikes and get some gameplay right here. All right, this should kind of do, but you can make it longer if you want. So yeah. So first of all, you have to edit the whole level except for the triggers and make them a group. Like now, when you haven't used any groups, you can use one. Well, you can use any group, but make sure it's not used yet. So when put the move trigger. This is like this one right here acts like a reverse trigger. So yes, and reverse trigger like reverses where you have gone. So yes, so you have to target the group ID you put in on the whole level except for the triggers, and then you don't have to set the move time, just set the move X to 100, and somehow you have to do this and make sure there are 4 spaces between the grid right here. So yes, 4 spaces, and then make another move trigger right here. So continue this pattern if you want to make it longer. So like, I'm just gonna make this pattern. So I'll recommend going in editor mode. Wait, oh no. I recommend going in editor mode so you know when it's ending, and then you can place some objects at the end. So if you try this and then don't place any objects at the end, it will just end very early. So yeah, like let's do this. Yes, let's go and save and play. Boom. Wait, let's make it easier. Boom. So it's yeah, like this. It's like a reverse trigger, but the background and floor are kind of not working. But you've got the reverse trigger gameplay, stuff like that. So like if I want to continue this, like let's just keep this playtest. Okay. Let's just remove this one. Let's try again. Because it's like too long. Okay. So I'm gonna cut the video and make some more gameplay. So yeah. I will cut the video and then come back. It will not look cool, it's just a layout again, so yeah. I'm just gonna cut the video right now. Alright, guys, I'm back. So yep, I made some more gameplay here. Play tested it. And now you see there's a big space right here, because this is where the space that it is going reversing, and then after it reverses, you have to go back to this part right here. This part right here. You have to do that again. And then after you do that, it just comes to this part. I'll just play test it for you. See, it's like that. So yes, you can make this longer by following the pattern, and make sure the whole level has the group ID on this move trigger thing, like the reverse trigger or something. And make sure after these parts you don't need to add the group, because these parts you don't have to reverse. Okay. that's the tutorial. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed.